Hello everyone, welcome to our next chapter on DSA Java programming tutorial series. In today's episode, we are going to see about the trees in data structures. Hereafter, the theory and the video of coding concepts will be separated. Don't worry, respective theory videos will be mentioned in the description. You can refer it at any time. Okay, then without any delay, let's get started. Previously on DSA, we saw about the stacks, queues and implementation code. Today we'll be seeing about trees. Actually, these trees are fascinating structures that resemble the real-world hierarchical relationships, just like this family tree. Or organized hierarchy should be maintained here. To better understand these concepts, let's draw a parallel real-world example. Imagine a company organization structure where you are a lead director at the top of the company, followed by different departments, teams, and employees. Each employee reports to a manager, forming a hierarchical relationship. This hierarchical structure can be represented as a tree in computer science department, built in a small spark of an idea. Trees find the application in a wide range of domains. For instance, in file systems, directories, that means a real-time database, tree structures of different efficient data retrieval process. Understanding trees is essential for every programmer to gain advanced concepts. There are different types of trees. Trees comes in different types as it has a unique characteristics. So some common types of trees we are going to see is binary trees, AVL trees, B trees, red-black trees. Each has its own advantages and specific use case. Throughout the upcoming video, we will be exploring these types of trees in detail, understand the properties, learn how to implement these in Java programming. In our next video, we will be seeing the important operation like insertion, deletion and searching in binary trees. So make sure to subscribe and to get the latest updates, hit the bell button for notifications. See you guys on the next video.